Good morning, children. We are talking about the uses of acids and bases. No, soap is also a salt with basic nature. It is also a salt with basic nature. Okay, soap cakes are formed by adding fatty acids like coconut oil to the sodium hydroxide. Alkalis like sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide. Okay, soap is also a salt with basic nature. It is formed by adding fatty acids like coconut oils to the sodium alkalis, sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide. Okay, alkalis means it is a base, okay, that can be dissolved in water. Base that can be dissolved in water are called the alkalis. Okay, and all we know, detergent soap contains sodium hydroxide, and bath soap contains potassium hydroxide. Detergent soap contains sodium hydroxide, so it is indicated by the formula NaOH. Okay, bath soap contains potassium hydroxide by the formula KOH. And zinc hydroxide, it is indicated by the symbol ZnOH twice. Its formula is zinc symbol is Zn, hydroxide OH. Okay, zinc hydroxide ZnOH twice. It is a base. It is a base but not an alkali. Okay, zinc hydroxide is a base. It is not an alkali. That means it cannot be dissolved in water. Okay, it will not dissolve in water. Zinc hydroxide is used in preparing the cosmetic products. Okay, it is used in the preparation of zinc hydroxide is used in the preparation of cosmetic products. And see here, all the alkalis are bases, but all the bases are not alkalis. Alkalis అన్నీ కూడా బేసెసే, కానీ బేసెస్ అన్నీ ఆల్కలీస్ కావన్నమాట. ఆల్ ది ఆల్కలీస్ ఆర్ బేసెస్ బట్ బేసెస్ ఆర్ నాట్ alkalis. Okay, now while in the lab, okay, while handling the chemicals, how to manage this misuse of substances. Okay, while using chemicals, how to prevent or manage the misuse of substances. Okay, we must not taste or smell chemicals. We must not taste or smell chemicals. Okay, and we must not allow to fall on the body. We must not allow chemicals to fall on our body. Okay, don't allow to fall on our body. And we are doing the test with the test tubes. No, we must hold the test tube with the holder. Hold the test tube with the holder. And we must read the precautions on the containers containing chemicals. Read the precautions on the containers containing chemicals. And while if we want to transfer acid from one container to the other, we must use the dropper. Use dropper to transfer acid from one bottle to the other. Okay, and while adding water to make dilution, okay, while adding water to dilute the acid, we must add acid to the water, not water to the acid. See, if there is any concentrated acids, if we want to dilute any concentrated acids, means we must not add water to the acid. Okay, we must add water to the water. We must add acid, that too by the dropper, drop by drop. We must not add directly water to the acid. If it is more concentrated, it may boil and it may react violently. It may boil violently and may splash on our body. Okay, these are some preventions to manage the misuse of chemicals. We must not taste or smell chemicals. Okay, we must not allow to fall on our body. Okay, and we are using the test tubes now. We must use test tube holders to hold the test tube. And before handling the chemicals, we should read the precautions on the containers of the chemicals. Okay, if we want to transfer acid from one container to the another container, we should use the dropper. And to change concentrated acid into the diluted acid, we should not add water directly to the acid. Okay, to the water we should add the acid by using dropper, drop by drop. Okay, next, first aid for the chemical burns. Okay, we must start first aid immediately, and we should remove the cloths from the person on from that burnt area on the skin. Okay, we should if there was burns, okay, by the chemicals, we should start the first aid immediately. We should take the cloths on that burns immediately. Remove. Okay, wash that area with the plenty of water, and we must not pierce the blisters. Okay, after that take him to the hospital. If anyone had burns with the chemicals, we must start the first aid immediately. Okay, and we should remove the cloths from that burnt area, and we should pour plenty of water on that burnt area. Okay, and we should, if there was any blisters, means we should not pierce them. Okay, వాటిని నొక్కేయకూడదు blisters-ni. Okay, and we should after that take that person to the hospital. Okay, we completed our lesson today. What we discussed, Soap is salt with basic nature. Okay, soap is formed by adding fatty coconut oils to the alkalis like sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide. Detergent cake contains sodium hydroxide, and bar soap contains potassium hydroxide. Zinc hydroxide is used in the cosmetic products. Okay, it is a base but not an alkali. Alkali means alkali is a base that can be dissolved in water. Okay, all the alkalis are bases, but all the bases are not alkalis. Okay, while using chemicals, how to manage the misuse of chemicals means while doing tests we must use the holders to hold the test tubes. Okay, we must read the precautions on the containers containing chemicals. We should use dropper to transfer acid from one container to the other container. Okay, we should not taste or smell the chemicals. We should not allow chemicals to fall on our body. Okay, while diluting the concentrated acid, we should not add water directly to the acid. To the water we should add acid drop by drop. Okay, if you add directly water to the acid, that concentrated acid may boil and may react violently. Okay, more amount of heat will be produced. Okay, and it may react violently and it may splash on the body also. Okay, in our surroundings so many substances are there. If we know the handling of those substances and the properties of those substances, okay, we may lead better living. Okay, so many substances are there in our surroundings. If we know how to handle the substances and the properties of those substances, we can lead a better living. This is our lesson, nature of substances. Okay, in this now we are going to discuss fill in the blanks. What is the taste of acids? What is the taste of acids? The acids are sour in taste. If the pH of the substance is 0, okay, then what is the nature of the substance? What is the nature of the substance? If the pH of one substance is 0, what is the nature of the substance? All we know, on the pH scale readings are from 0 to 14. If the 0 to 7 indicates acids and 7 to 14 bases. If it is 7, it is neutral. Okay, 0 to 7 acids. Okay, so it will have it may be strong acid. Next, blue litmus tamarind solution turns blue litmus to tamarind solution. Okay, tamarind solution contains acid, that to tartaric acid. It turns blue litmus paper to red. Why? Because it contains acid, tartaric acid. The nature of antacid is antacids, that means anti-acids. Okay, it is used to neutralize the excess acid released in our stomach. Okay, so it has the basic nature. Next, fifth one, acid on reaction with base gives dash and dash. Acid and base react with each other and give salt and water. These are the blanks in your textbook. Taste of acids is sour. If the pH is 0 for one substance, what is the nature of the substance? Means acidic. Tamarind solution, it contains acid, so it turns blue litmus to red. The nature of antacids is basic. Acids and base react with each other and form salt and water. Now come to the match the following. Okay. Color of turmeric solution in acids. First one is blue, second one red, third one purple, fourth one no change. See here, color of the turmeric solution in acid. Turmeric, it is the natural indicator. With the bases it turns to reddish brown. Okay, its color changes to reddish brown. With the acids there is no change. Okay, with the acids turmeric indicator will not change its color. Next, example to an acid. A, vinegar. B, baking soda. C, caustic soda means sodium hydroxide. Caustic soda. D, none. See, example to an acid. Here vinegar contains acetic acid. Baking soda means sodium bicarbonate. Caustic soda means sodium hydroxide. In this, which has the acid means vinegar. Main component of soap is acid, base, both A and B, D, none. Now today in today's class also we discussed soap contains base. Soap contains base. Next,